Welcome back, Impact Innovators. My name is LaShondra, and I help women who work full time build a business they love using simple tools, clear systems, and confidence. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe because every week we talk about how to grow your business in a way that feels realistic for your real life. Today, we're talking about something that can completely change the way you work in your business. If you have ever felt overwhelmed with planning, creating content, or organizing your thoughts, you are going to feel so relieved after this video. I'm going to walk you through a powerful tool called NotebookLM and show you how it can help you stay organized, save time, and turn your ideas into content even when you are busy. Before we jump into the step by step walkthrough, I want to start with something a lot of women experience when they are trying to build a business. This beginning part is important because it explains why a tool like Notebook LM can make such a big difference. So let's talk about why staying consistent and organized feels so hard for so many women who are building a business while working and taking care of a family. Before we get into today's walkthrough, I want to talk about a challenge that so many of us face. Most of us are juggling a job, a family, and a long list of responsibilities. So the idea of adding content creation, planning, and daily business tasks can feel impossible. Many women tell me they feel overwhelmed because they do not have a system that helps them stay organized. They feel tired after work. They feel like they keep starting over every single week. And sometimes it feels like you are trying to build a whole business from the little pockets of time you have left. And let's be honest, when you are tired, it is hard to be creative. It is hard to plan. It is hard to keep showing up when your brain is already full. But here's the truth. You do not need more pressure. You need more support. You need tools that help you take what you already know and turn it into something clear and useful. Tools that help you stay consistent even when life is busy. That is exactly why I want to show you Notebook LM. It brings clarity, structure, and support into your business using the ideas you already have. So let's take a look at how it works. All right, let's talk about a challenge that so many of us face. How in the world do you build a business when your life is already jam packed? Today, we're diving into a tool that's really designed to give busy entrepreneurs some much needed clarity using the brilliant ideas you already have. So, does this picture look familiar? You've got this fire inside you to launch your own thing, but you're also holding down a job or raising a family, or let's be real, probably both. It feels like you're constantly fighting for every spare minute, right? You know what that feeling is 100% real. It's not just about a busy schedule, it's the mental load of it all. It's that storm of ideas, to do lists, and half finished notes swirling around in your head. There's this huge gap between having the ideas and actually finding the time to put them into action. I mean, this is the daily reality for anyone trying to build something on the side. You're being pulled in a million different directions. Your job needs you, your family needs you. And on top of all that, you're trying to figure out the very next step for your business. The missing piece so often is just a simple system to cut through all that chaos. Okay, but let's just flip the script for a second. What if you didn't have to sort through all that chaos by yourself? Imagine what if you had a personal assistant, but one that was dedicated entirely to your ideas, ready to help you make sense of everything. And that's exactly the idea we're going to unpack. This brings us to a really interesting type of tool, a personal AI assistant from Google called Notebook LM. So, what is this thing, really? Well, think of it as your own private AI that is based only on the stuff you give it. This is key. It's not like other AI chatbots that pull information from the entire internet. Nope. This one works exclusively with your notes, your documents, and your ideas to help you organize and create. This really shows the big shift we're talking about. On the left, you've got the before, the chaos of messy notes, feeling totally stuck and trying to figure it all out alone. And on the right, you have the after, a streamlined path with clear action steps, instant clarity, and this feeling of guided support. It's all about moving from overwhelmed to confident. Okay, so we get the concept, but how does it actually, work? This is where the magic happens, where we see how all your raw ideas get turned into something real you can actually use. Check this out. It's all about what you put in and what you get out. You feed it the raw material, your brain dumps, your half baked ideas, transcripts, even screenshots from your phone. Then the AI works its magic on that specific content to give you things like polished scripts, key summaries, or even a weekly content plan. It's not making stuff up, it's organizing your genius. To make that even more real, just think about all this stuff you need to create every single week. They can take your research and help you draft out social media captions, video scripts, emails. It'll even create outlines for blog posts. Basically, it helps you get over that terrifying blank page feeling by giving you a solid first draft to work with. And maybe one of the biggest benefits is just having it all in one place. Instead of jumping between your Notes app, a Google Doc, and a bunch of other tools, the whole idea here is to have one home base. This helps you manage everything from brainstorming to creating the final piece, which can seriously cut down on the stress. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds cool, but is it going to be a huge pain to set up? Well, it's actually designed to be super simple. Let's just walk through the first three steps to get you going. First up, you just upload your stuff. And my advice, start small. Just grab a few notes or one document. Second, you start asking it questions. You can literally ask it to summarize the key points here, or turn this into a 5 point outline for a video. And finally, you make it a habit. Just a quick weekly check in to process your latest ideas and plan out your content. Let's zoom out for a second, because using a system like this isn't just about being more productive. It's about fundamentally changing your mindset and stepping into that CEO role with way more confidence. And maybe this is the most powerful part of it all. When you have a system that brings structure to your ideas, it chips away at that feeling that you're doing this all by yourself. It feels like you finally have a partner in crime, especially in those messy early stages of creating something new. So, what's the end game here? What looks a little something like this? The goal is to rebalance your most important resources. We're talking about your stress level going way down, while the time you save and your confidence level go way, way up. Say anyone building a business on borrowed time. These are the only metrics that really matter. This isn't just some quick fix. This is about building a sustainable way of working, a future where you operate with total clarity, where you feel in control instead of overwhelmed, and where you can consistently grow your business without it completely taking over your life. So, yeah, at the end of the day, it's a piece of software, but it's really more like an amplifier. The real superpower it gives you is the ability to take all those amazing ideas locked inside your head and consistently turn them into something real. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What could you really accomplish if all that friction between your ideas and your actions just disappeared? Just imagine having a clear path forward and a support system that's literally built from your own best thinking. What would be possible then? So now that you have seen how Notebook LM works, I want you to think about how this tool could support your business. Imagine having a place where all your ideas finally make sense, a place where your notes turn into content, a place where you can get clear answers in seconds and save hours of your time. Notebook LM gives you real support, so you are not building your business alone. So here is my question for you. How could you use Notebook LM for your business? Think about planning your content, organizing your thoughts, creating scripts, or turning your ideas into action steps. If you want an easy way to start using AI without feeling overwhelmed, download my free guide called 3 Simple Ways to Use AI. The link is in the description. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with another woman who needs support. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see how you use NotebookLM to grow your business. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.